What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna make vegetable stir-fry rice noodles, guys. Don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe. Alright guys, for today's stir-fry rice noodles, we have some cilantro, some onions, some broccoli, and you got some beautiful chopped mushrooms right here, guys, and some ginger and fresh green scallions, some soyaki soy sauce made from Trader Joe's, some red peppers, and some nutritional yeast, and some seasoning for this beautiful dish, guys. We're gonna have the best stir-fry rice noodles you ever saw. All right, guys, so for today's stir-fry noodles, guys, I'm using this sesame seed that you could find in some Middle Eastern stores in your local area, guys. This is probably one of the best that I use for this recipe. All right,
add your sesame seed oil,
and I'm also going to use some liquid aminos. This is a very good thing. I'm going to just do a little splash. Then I'm going to add in some onions and the cilantro. The perfect thing to use when you're making stir fry is a wok, guys. Alright guys, so just start adding all your ingredients. It smells so good in here. This is just sesame seed oil, cilantro, and onions, guys, and the smell is amazing. Today's not going to be a typical cheeseburger video, guys. This is going to be good eating, whole foods all the way, guys. Alright, so let me grab these ginger and some green onions, add that in there, guys. Smells amazing in here, guys, with the liquid aminos. When you're cooking your vegetables, you don't want to cook it all the way. You want to add in your red peppers right into the wok. Now we're gonna add in some of these beautiful mushrooms, guys. It smells amazing in here. Alright guys, so for my stir-fry noodles, this is what I use, guys. You have to try it, and this is the result, guys. You cook it, then you just follow the instructions on the back, or boil the water first and then add it in, and then throw some cold water on it immediately, because that will stop it from sticking and becoming all icky and stuff. So you see how beautiful that pull is? So this is what we're going to be using today for the stir fry. All right guys, so after this has cooked for a little bit, now we could start adding the noodles, guys. So I went and got some gloves on so I could just grab it instead of using a fork. All right, so it could be more organic. You know, you want your hands to feel on your food, because your food becomes one when you touch it, because when you're serving it, guys, put all those vegetables in there and just stir it in, guys. So as you can see, I didn't even add the broccoli or the soyaki and my seasonings yet, because I wanted the flavors to come in naturally, and then I'm gonna just sprinkle everything on, and it's gonna come out incredible.
Alright guys, so add your vegan eggs and add your broccoli, add your seasoning, guys, and add your soyaki sauce, guys. This is gonna be amazing.
I just added some garlic and onion pepper and some black pepper, guys, and some kelp seasoning, guys. Kelp seasoning is very good for you, and it has iodine and so many things from the ocean that is necessary. Broccoli in last, so that I just cover it real quick and allow the steam to cook it. Alright guys, so the vegetable stir-fry rice noodles is ready. Now it's time to plate. Alright guys, so guess what? It's finally ready. So this is a perfect option, guys, if you are gluten-free. This is all gluten-free. You can find this at Amazon for $3.19, guys. It's very frugal, very budget-friendly, and there you go. And I have some just egg in there, guys. A perfect add for this stir fry, guys. You can't go wrong with a stir fry without putting some eggs. All right, guys. So now let's see what this baby tastes like, guys. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Wow. Wow, guys, this is so delicious. Take a bite of this broccoli. Oh, man. Guys, don't forget, this recipe can be found at vegankingsworld.com, guys. All my recipes will be there, and they're also in the description below. Don't forget, hit that like button, guys, and subscribe. Peace.